Welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can create and verify your Exness account right now. In this video, you guys just stick around and watch this video to the end and try to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to all your friends to know on how you can create your Binance account right now. I will show you step-by-step strategy on how you can create and get verified instantly on your Binance account right now. Try to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video right away, guys. All right, so let's jump into the video right away, guys. So the first thing right now, when you click on the link down below this video, it can bring you to this particular area. You can click on join Exness or you can click on get started. It's the same thing. So when you click on this particular get started, so let me just show you guys to know on how you can easily create your own personal account. You can see, all right, the first step right now is to just make sure to click on enter your region. So click on this particular area. So just scroll down. Right now, to me, I'm from Nigeria. I have to just search for my country, Nigerian. You have to just put your email address. You can put your random email address. Then you can put your password. All right. Then let me just put a random email address. All right. So I have to just make sure to put my email address. As an example, just a random email address. You have to just put your password. So you have to just make sure you put your password and click on create account. All right. So they will send a code. Let me just put a random. Make sure your password has a bigger letter, small letter, and number and characters. Let me show you type of password you can use. So right now, guys, you need to just make sure to put your email address. Then you click on continue to create your own personal account. You can see, so they will send an email. They will send a code to your email address. Then you copy the code and you need to just make sure to click on create an account. Then just go to your email and click on verify. They will send a link to your email address. Then you click on that particular link to get verify your account. All right, I think you are with me right now. After that, let me show you how your account will be after you have already successfully registered. Then after you have already put your country, your email address, your password, everything, click on continue. You have to just make sure to go and check your email. Maybe they have sent you maybe an email to get your email verified. So let me show you guys on how your account would be after you have successfully registered right now, guys. All right, so once you have already go to your email and click on the link, then you click on to verify your particular. So once you go to your email address and you have clicked the link to get verify your email address, all right, then you will log into your account like this with your password that you used to create your account. Then your account will be like this. You may not see anything 00. Then automatically they can create a new standard account for you. Automatically you can see immediately you register your account. Then your data will be like this. Then this next step right now is to just make sure to verify your account. So if you want to verify your account, let me show you right now. Just come to this particular area. You can see my cursor. Click on that particular image of area. Click on it. When you click on it, you have to just make sure to click on this particular settings. All right, then you can see you have to just make sure. You can see my own is fully verified. You can see where you can upload your ID card, your NIN, your passport, your voter's card, whatever ID that is recommended in your country. You have to just make sure to click on the step. Can you see personal details? This is the way you are going to put your ID card, your personal ID, either passport, whatever. Make sure you put it, all right, to get verified. Then can you see you have to just confirm here. You have to just put your phone number here. I don't want to show you for security. Just make sure click on this area to put your phone number, everything, your email is set. Then make sure you click on this particular area to put your to make sure to upload your either your password or whatever. All right, then you have to just make sure to put this is the second verification. All right, you have to just make sure to put your details, your email address, whatever, your phone number, everything. verify. You can see my own is verified. Then here you have to just make sure to put your ID, password, whatever ID that is recommended in your country, you put it. Then you have to just make on this second one, you have to just make sure to your resident address verify. Either your you have to just make sure to go and either your just go to log into your online wherever to get your either your statement whatever. Then you put it to get verified. You will see either your NEPA bill wherever you can put your either your NEPA bill wherever, then to verify your address. This is the simple way on how you can get verified your Exness account without any issue. I think this video helped you very well. Just make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to all your friends so that you can know how you can create and verify your Exness account right now. These are the 3 steps. Number 1, put your phone number. Number 2, try to put your identity like international password, voters card, NIN. Number 3, make sure you verify your address by putting your NEPA bill or your, I don't want to mention it because of the video. It's just an educational something. Just make sure to put your NEPA or a verified valid address. Just make sure to upload it here. So simple as that. Then your account will be like this. Then let me just log it. Then your account will be like this. Then you can see that your account will be 00 like this without having any money there. Then I've already make a video on how you can deposit and everything is under this video. You can check out how you can deposit and how you can do everything. It's down below this video. This video just based on how can you create your account and get verified. Then if you want to create your MT4 account, it's very simple. Just come to this particular open account, either your MT4. Can you see this is the MT5? You can change it to MT4 or you can open MT5. You can see this particular area. Just be checking my cursor. This is MT5. Then click on standard here. This is your standard account. Then click on continue. For beginner, you can choose, don't use a bigger leverage as a beginner. You can just click on here and choose what? 1 ratio, can you see 1 ratio 100? Then you can choose currency. Then you can just change this one. You can put a nickname, your name, wherever you can as a nickname. Then you have to just put your password. Then you click on create account. Simple. Then you can just use your account number to log into your MT5 on, download MT5 on your phone. Then you can just use the login. This is the account. Let me just show you the sample of account number. The password you create. This is the type of account number. Then the password you create right now, you can just put it. Then you use it to log into your MT5 to be trading. Simple as that. This is how you can verify your Binance. Make sure you follow the 3 steps. Then you are good to go to get verified. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Bye for now, guys.